Google versus OpenAI. Who's really winning the AI war? This might shock you. Everyone thinks one company is dominating AI right now, but the truth? The race between Google and OpenAI is way closer and way crazier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly who's winning, who's falling behind, and the one move that could change everything overnight. AI is moving faster than anything we've ever seen. New tools, new models, new breakthroughs every single week. But here's the problem. Most people don't actually understand what's happening behind the scenes. Is ChatGPT still leading? Is Google catching up? Or is one of them secretly pulling ahead? Let's break it down. No hype, just facts. Let's start with OpenAI. They shocked the world with ChatGPT. They made AI mainstream, fast. Their strengths: simplicity, speed of innovation, massive user adoption. Millions of people use ChatGPT daily. From students to businesses, it's everywhere. And here's the key. OpenAI moves fast. They release updates constantly. They experiment publicly. They improve based on real-world usage. That's a huge advantage. Now let's talk about Google. Google didn't start late, they just moved quietly. They own the largest search engine in the world, massive data infrastructure, deep AI research. We're talking years ahead. And then they dropped Gemini. Google's strategy is different. Instead of one tool, they're integrating AI into everything. Search, Gmail, Docs, YouTube. That's not just competition, that's dominance potential. So who's actually winning? Let's compare. Speed, OpenAI ecosystem, Google user experience, OpenAI data. Power, Google innovation. Style, OpenAI equals fast plus bold, Google equals strategic plus massive. Here's the truth. OpenAI leads in attention. Google leads in infrastructure. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just a tech race, it's a distribution war. Whoever controls how people use AI daily wins. And Google already owns billions of users. If OpenAI keeps innovating faster, they stay ahead. But if Google fully integrates AI into search and everyday tools, they could take over overnight. This race is not over, it's just getting started. So now I want to hear from you. Who do you think is winning right now, Google or OpenAI? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you want more videos breaking down AI tools and how to actually use them to make money, hit subscribe and watch the next video on your screen, because that one might change how you use AI forever. Watch this next, How to Make Money Using AI in 2026